Today we understand two specific topic ambiguous and what is ambiguous and unambiguous grammar and what is leftmost and rightmost derivation tree. So in theory of computation, always in exam there is a question based on some grammar or production rule that please convert or please verify that specific grammar is ambiguous or unambiguous grammar. So ambiguous and unambiguous grammar, both in theory of computation, both are based on context free grammar. So as per the definition in theory of computation, ambiguous and unambiguous grammar are the classification of context free grammar. Apart, the above classification is based on number of derivation tree. Of what is derivation tree? It means what? Based on production rules and the available non-terminal terminal, we can generate a specific tree structure known as derivation tree. So in context-free grammar, there are two specific types of grammar, ambiguous grammar and unambiguous grammar. So these two classification is what? First of all, we want to understand the ambiguous grammar. It means if same string is generated by more than one pass tree, or more than one derivation tree, or more than one leftmost derivation tree, or more than one rightmost derivation tree. It means what? If any production rule generates more than one different derivation tree for the same string, known as ambiguous grammar. But in the case of unambiguous grammar, only have one or same type of derivation tree. So again, in this specific terms, a pass tree also used for compiler. Derivation tree means tree form of strings, and leftmost derivation means start form leftmost non-terminal. Apart, in rightmost derivation, start form rightmost non-terminal. So again, we can easily understand the whole concept of ambiguous and unambiguous with the help of an example. So here we have an example with a production rules, and the targeted generated string is what? We have to generate an string AB. So first, if we choose first non-terminal, so we can put here, and with this non-terminal, again we choose a production non-terminal A, and finally if we put the value of terminal, again we got the specific string AB. In second case, if we choose start symbol S with non-terminal, again a second non-terminal B, and finally if we use specific combination of terminal and non-terminal, and if we choose a null value for this non-terminal, so again we got the same string AB. So in this example, we easily know that with the help of two specific different derivation tree, we generate a same string MB. So in that case, the above grammar is what? Ambiguous grammar. In second example, again we have some production rule, same as like, and the targeted generated string is what? W barabar AB. Again, if we choose first non-terminal with start symbol, we choose this production rule, and if we use non-terminal terminal with this non-terminal, so finally we got string AB. On a second production rule, using next production rule, again using a different derivation tree, again we got the same string. So finally, after the what the result of this example, the above grammar is again ambiguous grammar. Now the next topic is what? Leftmost and rightmost derivation. So in leftmost and rightmost derivation, again we have some specific productions rule with non-terminal and set of terminals with specific terminal, and the target value is what? We have to generate value id plus id plus id. So in first case we work on leftmost derivation, and in this case we first have to choose non-terminal with the first production e plus e, and because we are working on leftmost derivation, so we choose extreme leftmost non-terminal, and again we use available next non-terminal. So again we choose e plus e with this non-terminal, and finally at the last, if we have no any non-terminal, so at the place of all non-terminal terminals we have to put the values of terminals. So finally we got a specific result, what? id plus id plus id. In the same case, suppose at rightmost side the same, we have to use the same production rules with terminals and non-terminals, and because we are working on rightmost side, rightmost derivation, in this case we have to choose rightmost non-terminal, and one by one we again put the values of non-terminal terminals, and finally same as at leftmost derivation, finally we put all the values of terminals with this non-terminals. So here we can easily watch that on the same generated string we have two specific different derivation tree. So again the generated grammar is what is known as ambiguous grammar. So in exam, if we have some specific question like please convert this specific grammar to leftmost and rightmost derivation tree, so we can use this concept. So dear, if you understand my topic, please share and like. Thank you.